Lab B17 Modeling Molecules. In this lab, we will be modeling molecules. Our challenge question is, how do atoms combine to form molecules? In our lab, our materials that we were going to be working with are that we're going to be working with 32 white atoms, 18 black atoms, 14 red atoms, 4 blue atoms, and 54 white bonds. The white atom is hydrogen. The blue atom is nitrogen. The black atom is carbon. And the red is oxygen. Those are our atoms. The sticks coming off of the atom are showing how many bonds that it can form with another atom. Our bonding sticks, our bonds, our chemical bonds, are going to be represented by white tubes. So the first thing that it wants you to do is it wants you to make a model that has two hydrogen and 1 oxygen. After you have this model made, you are to record this and draw this in your lab notebook. You are to write the chemical formula, such as H2O, and what molecule it makes is water. So this is the first one that you're supposed to make. The second you were supposed to make was a model that had carbon and hydrogen. So you can look at this model. It has 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen that is chemically bonded with the white tubes. Please draw this in your lab notebook. Also, please make sure that you write the chemical formula for this molecule. Okay, this is CH4, for example, and it is methane. The next item that you were supposed to make and record in your lab notebook and draw it and write the chemical formula is this atom here. You're supposed to combine nitrogen with hydrogen. This is the model that you come up with. So please draw this into your lab notebook. Write the chemical formula for this molecule. The next molecule that you were supposed to make was to combine 2 oxygens. Please draw this and write the chemical formula in your lab notebook. The next model that you were supposed to draw or make was to combine 2 hydrogen. This is your model. Please draw and write the chemical formula in your lab notebook. The next one you were supposed to do was to combine 2 nitrogens. And if you look there, there are 3 bonds that form. Okay, please again draw this in your lab notebook and write the chemical formula for this molecule. The next item you were supposed to do, this was part B, number 11, was you were supposed to make 4 more models that contained anywhere from 2 to 5 atoms. Okay, this one here. Remember that your color code is hydrogen white, carbon black, oxygen red, and nitrogen blue. So this one here has 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen. Please draw this and write the chemical formula in your lab notebook. Okay, that's 1. This is 2. Please draw this and in your lab notebook, and also please make sure that you write the chemical formula for this. Again, your color code is hydrogen white, carbon black, oxygen red, nitrogen is blue. Okay, number 4. This is number 4. Again, draw this and write the chemical formula for this model. And the fourth one is this one here, this molecule here. Please again draw this in your lab notebook and give us the chemical formula. Again, here is the color code for the element and the symbol. Okay, number 15 on your instructions in your procedure part was to take and construct a model of CO2. So you should have 1 carbon and 2 oxygens. Okay, again, please draw this in your lab notebook and write the chemical formula for CO2. Okay, this does conclude the procedure part. You are now to answer analysis questions numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6.